I'm a media service guy for over 20 years. So during these 20 years, I have, see the, evaluation for the media service. So today, I'm going to share some of the latest, developments, with you guys because, these days AI, right? All the AI driven stuff. So we see a lot of great opportunities and excitement things to share with you. So here's my talk. AI driven innovation in media service from production to distribution. Here's my agenda. First, I will talk about the evaluation of the media technology. And I will spend a majority of time talking about AI-driven, transformation for the media service. Last, I will talk about some future outlook. First, let's talk about the evolution of the media industry. So, looking back, over more than 20 years, we see the big trend for the media industry, right? From analog to digital, to the cloud, now today to the AI. Always start with the analog. We have the TV, right? We try to broadcast the TV signal efficiently. Then we have all the, analog stuff. With the, birth of the personal computer, now we transfer into the digital world. The goal is to, digitalize the, the TV signal and you do the live streaming, all the stuff, for the, computer. We talk about all the video codecs, all the live streaming protocols, all the, nonlinear, software stuff. Then we come into this cloud, era of the media service because we all know that video, particularly, distributing the video is very cost, right? You have to spend a lot of money for the computing power and also the network resource. So that's, we come about, cloud. Cloud, because it's, the scale of the computing power and the network, infrastructure, you can make your live streaming more, cost efficient. But now we come into this new area. I think it's more, exciting. The AI, right? We're all talking about AI, but for the media industry, we all use AI, from a long time ago. But today, I think the AI starts to change things. It starts from add-on to a must-have. And we will talk about, this later on. So doing all those, the, evolution of the media service, we saw two trends. It's not changing. One is, the life cycle of the media processing, right? You have no matter it's a video, file, audio file, we all through the ingestion, production, processing and the storage and also the, playout distribution. All this pipeline, all this life cycle is still, constant. Even with the AI can, streamline or even can, skip some of the, the steps. But, majority of the, life cycle is still the same. But I think the most important thing is the second one. We see the underlying motivation, the requirement for the low latency, requirement for the high quality, the requirement for the creativity, and the requirement for the immersive experience. That's are the, the driving power for make this industry going forward. Now, I'm going to talk about the AI-driven, the transformation of the media service. Look at this, chart again, right? We all know that the media, life cycle from the ingestion, processing, production, transmission, and the playout and interaction, right? And underneath, we have all the media service laid out. Underneath that is all the ICE, the storage, the computing, the network, CDN stuff. But, we start to see that on every step, AI, become an important part of that. Even before that, AI is just some tool, right? We can make things like, more efficient with AI. But today, I think AI should start to become the key, component to start to change the whole game. I will talk about that, later on. Since I'm the video guy, right, I have a lot of video demos in my slides because I think the visual, convey more than words. So, we start from the ingestion. Okay, so in ingestion, we have been using AI for a lot of, user scenarios. For example, the beauty enhancement, the special effect, the image matching, right? All those kind of stuff. Because, I think it's especially important for the Chinese customers because, they do the live streaming. They want to show their best shape, right? Best, themselves to the audience. So that's all the, beauty, things important. We use to AI to, do that. But, now we have other, area like, the AI digital twin, right? The AI digital, avatar, right? We can create the mimic yourself. You can do live streaming 24 hours per day, nonstop, all because of the AI stuff.
Many people ask me, do Greeks like Chinese people? A lot of people ask this. Once in Greece, will Greeks discriminate against Chinese people? The answer is definitely no. When someone asks, do you think Greeks are fond of Chinese people? Many ask about it. After you arrive in Greece, will Greeks reject Chinese people?
Yeah, probably you guys also seen, similar demo before. This, the left side is, the human, the true human. The right side is just a digital twin, digital avatar. We clone all the, the sound. We clone the, action, so make the, like, the more realities. The second one, I will show you some, audio side, right? Audio here, we can do a lot of stuff. Here, I just show you the, we use the AI, use the audio to reduce noise. You can hear the demo.
Hi everyone, welcome to my live
Very noise.
stream. If you like what you see, don't miss out. Be sure to. Hi everyone, welcome to my live stream. If you like what you see, don't miss out. Be sure to hit that follow button.
The second.
Right now, we might have recording sound. There is broad, noisy sounds like right now. This kind of keyboard tapping sounds. Right now, we might have, including some, there are some broad, noisy sounds like right now. This kind of keyboard tapping sound.
Yeah. So as you can hear, you almost can, remove all the background noise, right? So with all the AI stuff, and we can do it on real time, even on your small devices, because all the AI, advantage, used to have like, the great, GPU to do that. Now we can do it on your, smartphone, right? The second thing I can demonstrate here, even though all you hear is English, right? But, the original, clip was captured in Chinese. And we just, clone, sound clone, and, you use AI to translate English without, human interruption. So all the AI, power. Second one, I will show you the production side, right? We use AI for the ingestion. Now we move on to the production side. Here, I will show you a demo. We call the, the multi-camera view thing. Or we also call it, bullet time. I will show you the clip first. So this idea of multi-view, bullet time stuff, bullet time, come, long way from the, famous movie, The Matrix, right? And we all know it's a great, visual effect. But the thing is, you're very, expensive. So you need to have a lot of, computing power to do that. And it's time consuming. What we did, I think for the last, Paris Olympic, we bring all these 3D, the cool effects into the live sport. I think that's the first time because, for the live sport, right, you have no time to, give you enough time to do all those things in the background. We have to do on the fly. It's end to end, consuming only like, less than 10 seconds. So that's why, with all the advantage of AI stuff and also with all the, cloud stuff, right? First, we need AI. We need, 3D rendering, 3D remodeling stuff to make these effects, even possible. Second, we need a cloud. Cloud, can scale up, can scale out, because during the Paris Olympic Games, there are a lot of games that, they are, ongoing simultaneously, and all the clips have been, processed in the cloud, in a very short time. That's why I think that's a breakthrough, because we can bring those, special, the breathtaking, moment to the viewer. sports viewers, they only used to like, the slow motion. Now we bring the new stuff to them. Here, another one, right? We have the virtual studio, right? We have the virtual background. We have the virtual, image matching. We have all those, digital avatars. Used to be, you have to have like, expensive, equipment to do all this. Yes, you have need a professional TV studio to do that. But today, with all the AI stuff, as I demoed, you can just use your, old smartphone device, can do all those virtual, studio on your smartphone. Yeah. This way, we make the live streaming, more efficient and more easily accessible for everyone. Second, I will talk about the post-production, right? On the post-production side, I think with AI, we can bring more, the stage. We can open a, even bigger door for that, because the post-production, in that sense, the time is not the bigger concern, right? We can spend, more time to do the, processing all the stuff. So we integrate a lot of AI components into our media service, like, the ASR, OCR, the AI tagging, the AI searching, the AI, the understanding, the video content, and also a lot of, AI effect. With all those, AI integrated, pipeline integrated into the service, we bring new, user scenarios, like, the multi-language, translation, doubling, like, one click, video, production generated the video highlight, video summary, all the things, used to be like, you cannot do it. Now it's, become possible. Here, I will show 2 demos. Okay. Let's, here, see the video first.
I should apologize to all of you.
Monsieur Long, it's not easy to get the first one.
I don't think he wants to stay here.
Shen Yulong, you can't do this.
Even if I don't.
It's not your turn to smoke.
The most important thing for us right now is to take advantage of the debris. How could I ever think of him? How could I think about it?
Oh, I love you so much.
I'll count the hearts.
Send me to the mountains of Kin.
What is it?
Let's pause here. This, multi-language, translation and the doubling, right? We all know the, translation is, time consuming. Used to be like you have to have professional guys, do all the translations. But here it's all done by AI without any human interruption. You can see this is a popular, Chinese, drama, drama show. And there are, multi people in the scene, right? And the AI can recognize each person and use each person's, the person's tone to clone all the, emotion and tone and lip sync, synchronization, together. And also do the translation and also do all those stuff, in near real time. Okay. It's all done by AI. I'm not saying that AI is perfect. Yeah. For the, the not native, English speaker, we still can hear some, translation is not perfect. Yeah, we admit that. But what I'm saying is, with AI, we can bring, a more, efficient with, human assistant. We can make this, the process, very efficient, right? I think in China now and beyond the, the short video, this called a short drama. It's a very, growing thing in China. I think the market value is, even surpass the movie industry. Now they want, do those expansion globally. Short drama means like, you do a drama episode in like, 2 or 3 minutes, moving very fast, very drama, kind of a thing. With this, translation, our customer can bring their products, can bring this, their drama into the global, into different languages, not translate only to English. We can do the Spanish, Arabic, all the, small language with AI, we can do it right now. The second thing is the video summary. It's just like normal NBA game. The AI capture all the highlight from the video and do a short version of the video and give all the human sound the stuff. Let's watch the video first.
The Mavericks and Timberwolves' fierce battle began in the first quarter. Pounds scored a putback to give the Timberwolves a 2-0 lead. However, with Dunkirk's long-range three-pointer weighed in, Mavericks regained the 5-4 lead. Gafford excelled in the paint. McDaniels and Edwards worked together to limit Irving's impact. The points exchanged frequently, reaching 10-6. Then, despite Irving facing tight defense, the Mavericks did not slow down. Dunkirk continued to shine. Not only did he score a layup, but he showcased his three-point ability with a great...
Okay, let's stop here. Yeah. I'm just saying the video summary, one click to generate, the video. Now with AI, just become possible, right? As I said, we still have a lot of, thing to do to make it even, creative and even perfect. But with AI, we can, reduce a lot of, work. We used to need to, human to do it. Now, I move on to the next scenario. We do the video processing. Here, I introduce something we call Narrowband HD, right? Because, the traditional encoding, right? We all know that, encoding is a very essential part of the, media service. Now with AI, we use a lot of AI. We use AI based on the human, perception quality. We judge the quality based on the human eyes perception. Then we can, save bits on the part, human eye do not even care about. And we concentrate all our, effort on the important part to the human eye. So you can see the video. On the left side is the original video. And the right side is our, narrowband HD video with a higher, quality, but with, less bitrate, which is reduce bitrate by, 30%. Yeah, because on the screen may not be see that clear, but once the video pause, you can see the difference. Hopefully, that's last frame of the video. Hopefully, you guys can see the difference. On the left side, it's on the the player's face is kind of blur. Even for the the blue player, the number on his jersey is not that clear. On the right side is much clear, and also all the stuff. And the very important thing is we not only make the quality better, we also make the the bitrate smaller. It means the file size is like 30% smaller than with traditional HD encoder. Now we also bring the ultra high definition encodings. We use all the AI the technology like the HDR and the FRC and also the super resolution, right? We all use those AI stuff to make it even the low quality video become a high definition video. Here is another example with audio, right? Where besides the video, we can also do the AI processing for the audio, because audio is also very important part of your the experience. Let's see, the left side is the original audio clip, and the right side we have the do the the AI processing, make the 2-channel audio become the the surrounding sound. Let's hear the sound.
I had a date with a hole in the desert. Thank God the feds were shadowing me, or I'd have been totally fucked. Date with a hole in the desert. Thank God the feds were shadowing me, or I'd have been totally fucked. A date with a hole in the desert. Thank God the feds were shadowing me, or I'd have been totally fucked.
So, hopefully you guys can hear the difference. The left side is surrounding sound, right? Second one is especially for the the last piece, because it's specially optimized for the speaker. So even we only have 2 or 3 speakers here, but we can still hear the difference. This is the power of AI. We use AI to generate sound, beyond the original sound quality. The second one, okay, we move on to the transmission, right? I think is for the video transmission, the distribution is also very important. At Alibaba Cloud, we build this global network based on our global infrastructure. We build that CDN. We build that low latency the transmission network, and also more important things, we bring AI into the picture. Used to be like we have some rule based the QoS, because I think for important thing for the network quality is because the network you can have sometimes you can have some glitch, right? You can lost package, you can have long latency, all of this is normal, but with AI we can bring things make things better. If we can see the demo first. And in this demo, on the left bottom is the original the video, right? The video source without any network glitch. And the video on the top left is the normal RTMP with a package loss of 15%. We can see the glitch, right? A lot of glitch. On the right side, we have that we use AI to reduce the glitch on the right top. Right? On the right bottom, we go even further to use the Narrowband HD to make the video bandwidth 30% smaller, right? Plus the AI stuff we made for the network quality stuff, and the right bottom things very smooth compared with the source. I hope you can feel the difference. Now, okay. Now I think I moved on the last piece of the demo here is the AI agent stuff. I think that's a big trend, right? That's a big momentum about AI agents. We all saw this, the big companies that we have a breakthrough in the AI stuff, right? The thing is AI, what AI can make for us, I think the AI agent is one scenario, right? So we have this AI, stuff, cooperate with our low latency, transmission. We can make a lot of things, possible. On the, for the picture, we can see, 4 things, like, the voice agent, the video agent, the chatbot, and the vision agent.
What can you see in the screen?
In the video, there's a cup placed on a surface outdoors. The background shows a modern building and some greenery.
So how do you think of the weather?
The weather in the video appears to be clear and sunny. The sky is bright blue with no visible clouds, and the shadows cast by the buildings and trees.
Yeah, that's a real demo. But, I'm not saying that, that's a unique demo Alibaba Cloud have. You guys probably already saw this demo from OpenAI, from Microsoft, from Google, But what I think is, with AI stuff, with the big large language model, combined with the video technology media service, combined with the global networking stuff I just mentioned, we can make these things very cost efficient, affordable. I think that's the key. That's the key. The AI driven the media service moving forward. Not because we have a greatest AI. Actually, we can increase many different AI models. So we already see a lot of customers, they use our product to make their innovations. That's all the real products from our customers. That's not demo. That's their real, product. Even those, customers that are very small, a lot of companies still in incubation stage. But I think with those AI, and particularly with our, network, infrastructure or the media service, they can make their, things, possible, right? Right side, I have shown you some, the, English, practice, app. In the middle, you have the AI glass, AI smart glass, with all driven by, the AI model. On the right side, you have an AI interview. Now, a lot of companies, they start to use the AI to the customer support, and even some with, the interview. You can hear the, the case. Sorry, I didn't translate into English. It's still in Chinese, but you can feel the interaction is very smooth. Sorry, I don't know why there's no sound. Yeah, sorry about that. Maybe they have some issue with sound. But what I'm saying is like, our customers can even bring the, interview process, phone screen, all kinds of stuff, with AI, right? So now the, last, not the least, I'm talking about the MEM, the media asset, management, because we all know that, the video, right, carry more information than the text. But the problem with video is that the video is not searchable, right? Used to be, and the video is not, understandable. We don't know what the concept inside the video unless a human watch it. But now, so even we have a lot of, video, content, for a lot of TV stations, for a lot of, even for yourself, right? You probably, record a lot of video, sitting in your phone, right? But, with all this AI stuff, we can bring the AI into our, pipeline. The AI can understand what the video is for, conceptually, and also can make, a lot of, the important things, the tagging things. So make the video searchable. With that, we have a structure, AI structure and management for the video. So you can bring your, video asset into the second life, right? So create a lot of, opportunities. Here, I will show one demo, right? Let's see the demo first. It's not that, clear for you guys, but I will do some, explanation afterwards. First, we have a lot of, video assets, right? These customers, they have a lot of video assets, recorded in Chinese, right? But when you do the search, we do not do any special thing, and the user can use it like, English to the search. For example, in this case, they try to find, some guy with like, the red hat or something, and we will search all the video content, and we are point to the place, map to users, search, criteria. That's the power of understanding, AI understanding the video. The second thing is even for some, semantic, concept, we can, search for that. You make our search is natural language related. You can use your natural language to do a search. Okay. So, now I have demonstrated a lot of stuff we do with AI. I demonstrated the evolution of our, media service. I think, we already go through for the basic media service, right? Traditional media service to this AI enhancement, media service. We bring AI into our production. We make a lot, piece, a lot of, the connecting piece, AI driven. Now, I think, stayed on this stage, and today, I think we can see more future, opportunities, because I think the AI can bring more, to this, media service. We not just from the AI enhancement, I think it's become AI driven. It's beyond that, traditional media service. I think when we bring AI, we can, bring more opportunities, open a new door for us. I think, I'm very excited. I'm very excited, and I share my enthusiasm to you guys today. And I hope you guys are also excited. I think, AI is coming. We are ready. Are you ready? Yeah, thank you guys.